Welcome to my channel Dates and Science. Today we discuss about Ciggerate effects on lungs. Every breath you take is a quiet rhythm of life flowing through your body, carrying oxygen to every cell, fueling movement, thoughts and energy inside you. This process happens naturally without effort as your lungs expand and relax like soft living wings, but when cigarette smoke enters this delicate system, the story of your breath begins to change. The moment smoke is inhaled, heat and toxic particles move through the airways, touching tissues that were designed only for clean air. The body immediately senses this intrusion and activates its defense response. The lining of the throat and air passages becomes irritated and inflammation begins as the body tries to protect itself from the harmful exposure. With repeated exposure, the airways start producing extra mucus to trap invading particles. This is a protective reaction, yet at the same time smoke damages the tiny hair-like cleaners inside the lungs that normally sweep away debris. As these cleaners weaken, mucus starts to accumulate, leading to persistent coughing and a feeling of heaviness in the chest. As smoke travels deeper, it reaches the smallest branches of the lungs where air flows into microscopic sacs that transfer oxygen into the blood. These fragile structures are essential for life, yet they are highly sensitive to toxins. Irritation causes their walls to swell and lose elasticity, reducing their ability to expand fully and making each breath slightly less efficient. When oxygen transfer becomes less effective, the body compensates. The heart begins to beat faster, pushing blood more forcefully to deliver enough oxygen to organs and muscles. Nicotine causes blood vessels to narrow, increasing pressure inside the circulatory system and placing extra strain on the heart. At the same time, chemicals absorbed from smoke circulate throughout the bloodstream. They interact with vessel walls, encouraging the buildup of fatty deposits that gradually narrow the pathways through which blood flows. This slow process reduces circulation efficiency and increases the risk of serious cardiovascular problems. Inside the brain, nicotine rapidly changes chemical signaling. It triggers the release of pleasure-related neurotransmitters, creating a brief sense of relaxation or satisfaction, but this effect fades quickly and the brain begins to crave another dose, reinforcing dependence. Over time, the brain adapts, making it harder to feel balanced without nicotine. The mouth and throat also experience ongoing irritation. Heat and chemicals affect soft tissues, reducing blood flow and slowing healing. Gums may weaken and sensitivity increases, while the throat often becomes dry or hoarse, reflecting continuous exposure to irritants. The immune system works constantly to respond to the ongoing stress created by toxins. Chronic low-level inflammation becomes part of the internal environment. Immune resources are diverted toward managing irritation, which can reduce the body's ability to fight infections effectively. As months turn into years, the cumulative effects become more noticeable. Lung tissue gradually loses flexibility, making breathing during physical activity more difficult. Stamina decreases as muscles receive less oxygen, and everyday movements may begin to feel more tiring than before. The cardiovascular system continues to work under strain. Elevated blood pressure and reduced vessel elasticity increase the workload on the heart. Over time, this persistent stress can affect overall health and endurance. On a cellular level, harmful compounds interfere with natural repair processes. Cells constantly regenerate and fix damage, but repeated exposure overwhelms these systems, increasing the likelihood of long-term cellular changes. Energy production throughout the body also declines when oxygen delivery is less efficient. Cells generate less usable energy, leading to fatigue, reduced physical performance, and slower recovery after exertion. Despite these challenges, the body retains an extraordinary ability to heal. When exposure stops, circulation begins improving. Within a short time, oxygen levels in the blood rise and the lungs start clearing accumulated mucus and debris. Inflammation gradually decreases and breathing can become easier. Over longer periods, lung function may improve and the heart no longer needs to work as intensely, allowing the body to regain strength and endurance. This recovery demonstrates the resilience built into human biology. The journey of cigarette smoke through the body is not a single moment but a continuous process affecting multiple systems simultaneously. From the first inhale to long-term exposure, each breath shapes internal conditions, influencing how organs function and how energy flows. Understanding these effects highlights how closely connected every system in the body truly is: lungs, heart, brain, blood vessels, and immune defenses, all responding together to maintain balance. Each breath has the power to nourish or to challenge the body, and over time these repeated moments determine the direction of overall health. The story of smoking is ultimately the story of how small repeated exposures can reshape the internal environment step by step, breath by breath. Thanks for watching our videos. Subscribe our channel for more informative videos.